We back. I just ended up falling asleep last night. Well, I had a nap more than anything, and I was like, "Feck." So we back. I was just researching stuff at night. Went for a drive, but it was too cloudy. Couldn't see anything. I was just watching all the webcams. So if I drove like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours down, there's no clouds, so I would have been able to see the northern lights. But then I have to come back, and then I was just too tired. So I booked a place 5 hours away, 5 or 6 hours away. So I'm going to drive there now, and then I've checked all the maps and everything. So the clouds are sort of disappearing. It's a beautiful day here at the moment, anyways. Hardly any clouds, unlike yesterday where it was just cloud city, rain city. So yeah, hopefully that means it's going to be clear tonight. And then, well, it's meant to be a total lunar eclipse, I think, tonight, coming into Friday, because it's Thursday now. So you got like a 65-minute window where it's total eclipse, because the moon is popping, because it's a full moon. So the sun's going to eclipse it somehow. Maths and science, no good. So yeah, I got like, and then apparently it's, because it's normally green, the northern lights, it's meant to be pink and like red and different colors. So that'd be pretty crazy to see. Once in a lifetime opportunity, baby, let's go. So fingers crossed. Booked a place, gonna get there, just gonna do some like waterfalls and stuff before that. Just like stop here and there, so I'm not just driving 5 hours flat. So it should be a good day out, I think. So come for an adventure. Let's go. Stopping off quickly to get some food just in case there's nothing out there. So now I was meant to stop off to places along the way, but since I'm behind schedule a bit, because I slipped in because I was gassed yesterday. I was reading on the way here that you need different rules and regulations, obviously, for drone flying. So just registered with the Icelandic aviation thing. As I was doing some tests, because I wasn't too sure if I had to do the test, this guy pulled up and he was sending up his Mini 4 Pro, so I was just asking him what the go was, and I think it was French, so he already had like registered in the EU. And he said as long as you pay like the €30 fee and register, it should be fine to fly your Mini 3 Pro. And I was like, yeah, sweet. So I failed the test anyways, because it's like 40 questions and it's all general knowledge, but man, I swear their English is just backwards, or my English just backwards. I probably only got like 20 right, but it's all general knowledge shit. I paid the fee, so I'll just say, oh, I don't know. So registered to fly. Obviously, you just gotta stay within the rules and shit. But yeah, it's next up day. I've got 4.5 hours to my hotel or guest house, so I think I'm just gonna pin it there. Might stop somewhere along the way. It's 1:30 now, so I'll probably get there about 6:30. Yeah, might just do all the other stuff on the way back, like Diamond Beach and all the walks and waterfalls and stuff. It's gonna be a big drive. 4 hours, 4.5. Yeah. Well, things you're doing, traveling by yourself instead of like a tour bus, but you gotta stop here and there and do what you want instead of doing tour buses. So. Enough of my shit. Let's get back to the road. Woo. Just about to come up to this waterfall. Change the scenery. It's just been like this the whole way, or deader than that. Now it's all mountainous. The ocean's on that side, and yeah, these mountains seem all snow-capped, and here comes the waterfall. Just a quick stop. So you have people all the way underneath. Looks like you can get soaked. Definitely not game to get soaked, I'll tell you that much. I'll get as close as I can. I think that's close enough. People are game getting that close and underneath it. It's getting way too cold for it. Not gonna send the drone up. There's too many birds flying around. They look pretty aggressive. But yeah, it's a cool waterfall. There's another waterfall half an hour away. It's on the way, so might as well check it out. Then start beelining it to the accommodation. Just probably 3 hours away. No, just little quick cheeky stops here and there. Yeah, probably definitely see more on the way back maybe. But yeah, the weather looks mint so far. Not really any clouds. So if it stays like that all night, beyond! Yo, baby, yo! Coming up to this massive crater thing. It's like split in the... Fuck, I don't know. Look at this! I don't think I'm gonna make it to accommodation. Man, I have to keep stopping everywhere. Grand scheme of it, it's like you got the mountains on that side and then the ocean on this side. I don't know if I'll walk to this waterfall. It's just over there, but I still got 3.5 hours to drive, so that's like another half an hour on top of that. So I get there like 7. No, I'll just do it on the way back because I'm gonna come this way anyways, and then once I see the northern lights I can just take my time coming back. But yeah, if it wasn't a 3.5 hour drive by myself I'd go out, but gotta get back on the road. It's cool to see. You can see from here. But yeah, I just want to get to accommodation. Sheesh, just filled up petrol. It's like a quarter left or under. It's $3 a litre, 3 Aussie. $3.20 I think. Must be $135 to fill up. So yeah, I think if you have Euro or USD, it's definitely cheaper, but Aussie sucks. Can't survive out here, man. I have to sell my soul out here. Sheesh. Oh, well, we're back on the road. Let's go. More waterfalls. Just wanted to stop, stretch the legs a bit. Still got 2 hours to go, but man, look at this. Beautiful. Little valley down there. Sun is setting. How good is life? Woo! Half an hour out, and it's like snowing, sort of raining. No good. Hopefully it passes in a couple of hours. Or I'll just go for a drive somewhere else. Yay. Not too shabby. Swing a cat in here. So everyone can see it. Yeah, that's not too bad. Hello. Bathroom. Just got back from dinner. Didn't film any of it because when I booked, they sent me a itinerary with the menu on it, and I sat down. Well, I already pre-booked a reservation because I saw on the menu there's vegan options, and then I went there and they gave me the menu, and all they had was two shitty options: pumpkin soup and a Caesar salad with falafel. It was alright, but they could have told me that the menu is updated, or it's not the menu that they sent me, so then I could go somewhere else. So yeah, vegan life, eh? But that's alright. I got extra goodies, that's why I went to the shops to grab some stuff before I trekked this way. Get some extra protein. And then the moon's slowly coming out, but I mean the clouds are sort of disappearing, so you can see the moon. But the moon will probably cook it unless there's a total lunar eclipse tonight, which I think might be happening. So from all the sources that I've been reading, it's meant to happen like 3, 4 a.m, 5 a.m, somewhere around there. So, and then I was been watching all the forecasts of the clouds, and this section, or this area, suburb, town, whatever you call it, is the only place in Iceland that all the clouds disappear at that time. So if it's meant to be, it's meant to be, baby. So soon wait and see. It'll be the shittest if it does. Meant to be pink and shit. I don't want to give it away too much because I don't want to get my hopes up. Shouldn't be telling y'all anyways, but yeah, soon see, soon find out. Good morning, we back. Didn't see anything last night, but woke up to that. Nice and sunny. Wish it was like that last night, but oh well. So yeah, we're gonna head to town. Probably change Airbnbs or guest houses a little bit closer down there. See if it clears up a bit, and then fingers crossed tonight. Just at that small grocery store, just having a look around. So 100 kronas is $1, so that's like $2 for yogurt. Yeah, 1,000 kronas is $10, so you sort of work off that. So you end up broke, pretty much. So all this costs $10, $11. Thought I'd stop and pull over because, man, everywhere you go is just crazy. Got the beach on this side, and you got the mountains on the back. Sheesh.
Lieve gedachten, vandaag om niet te kiezen, niet te leven, is veel meer om te vragen dan gemakkelijk om te zeggen. Maar een fijne herinnering is de hoop van vandaag.
Just stopped off to meet the locals. Got it. I just pulled up to this waterfall bit. I think it's only like a tiny one, but look how clear this water is. Oh, look at that. Walk to the waterfall bit. Man, check this out. There's like a cave in here. Just keeps going and going. Man, it's sick. Waterfall. When I head up there, there's like more little waterfalls. What a place. It's so cool. So glad I stopped here. That was unreal. Just gonna try maybe head to Diamond Beach because that'd be pretty cool for sunset, and then it'll probably be time to check in. It's 3:45, so check-in's about 4. I'm still gonna receive a confirmation letter or email because you need like a code to get in, I think. So head to Diamond Beach. This thing is only like 40 minutes, half an hour away, and head to Calm. Maybe head back to town to get some dinner. We'll see if there is dinner for me. Seems pretty clear at the moment. Hopefully it stay like that. Or I might come back here for Astro. It'd be pretty cool. Soon find out, I guess. Just arrived at the guest house, and they build like these it's like 20 rooms in there. Self check-in, so they give you a code, and yeah, they got the view of the water or mountain and the backside. So yeah, it's just like these little 2-bedder, 1 bath sort of setups, and in the middle there's like a little reception with a kitchenette, microwave, tea, coffee, etc. But man, that's sick. Like, build those out, charge people, I think it's like $140 Aussie a night, 20 of them. Phew, cash money. And then yeah, and you got like other guest houses over there, probably more expensive. Man, what a setup. Need to set one of those up in Australia for sure. Make cash money for it. But yeah, head to Diamond Beach and see how we go. here at Iceberg Lane. What a spot for sunset. So this is the top of the lookout. So there's no drones, but we'll see. Yeah, that glacier spot was pretty cool, eh? Just gonna head back to the guest house, then go back to the main town of Hof, and get some dinner. Hopefully they have some food there, and then see what the night sky is doing. Oof. Heading back to Reykjavik today. Missed out on all the lights this time. It is what it is. So hopefully find something on the way back, like a waterfall or something. Haven't really planned anything because I think I'm pretty satisfied with what I've done so far. But yeah, head back to Reykjavik. Just arrived at this lookout waterfall thing. I don't know, but I was reading reviews and they said you can fly the drone, so I was like, that's me. And it's only 2 hours away, so it's a good little stop for my 5 or 6 hour drive. Just got to hike up there, and it's like a little crevasse, sort of rock formation thing. So have a look-sees and stretch the legs a bit. I was paid for parking because I'm a chump, but I just didn't want to come back, have a ticket, haven't paid for any other places because I was like, yeah, paid $10 just to be here for like 2 seconds. But, pay for everything this place. It's definitely windy and cold. Whew. But yeah, the drone held up well, so yeah, see if you'd hear it. But yeah, it's not too far away. Don't turn back. Freezing. back in the car. It's definitely worth it, but definitely cold. So just trying to warm up, defrost, and then we'll head back to Reykjavik. I don't know if I'll stop anywhere else. It's only 3 hours away, so you never know. Could stop. So many cool places to see. But yeah, man, that was cold. Oof. Made it back to Reykjavik. Gonna head to the hotel. Just stopped off, got some groceries, and have some dinner and lunch, breakfast tomorrow. So yeah, heading to the hotel, which is Keflavik, which is the international airport, so 40 minutes away. And then probably just go to the gym there, and have a nice relaxing afternoon. I think it's a bit too cloudy here. It's a bit sunny at the moment, but not a good. Well, no. We'll try and see the northern lights. If not, I'll just be at the gym, editing, and just relaxing. Gonna drop the car back at 5 a.m. Just do that. Just have a nice, relaxing afternoon for my last day. Cheeky gym session. Just gonna have some dinner, and then probably just do some B-roll stuff and do some more editing. But yeah, if I don't see me after this, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. This is Iceland, and appreciate you guys watching. So hopefully see y'all in the next one.